Hi, welcome to Mrs. Park's geometry class. This is part 2 of 1/6 two-dimensional figures. So yesterday we talked about polygons, and these are called sides, and each point is called a vertex. Okay, polygons, non-polygons, how you name polygons, convex and concave, regular or irregular. We talked about perimeter, circumference, and area. Okay, so today we're going to talk about perimeter and area on the coordinate plane. All right, so for these problems, we're going to use a distance formula to find the perimeter of a polygon graphed on the coordinate plane. So if you see a problem like this is going to be a very long process to solve this one question. So you can panic now for a second, and let's get to it. Okay, find the perimeter and the area of triangle PQR with vertices P, Q, R. All right, so you have 3 points. So in order to find the perimeter of this triangle, you need to find each length. Okay, so the lengths from here to here, here to here, and here to here, you need to add all those 3 sides. Well, here I see the easy part here, this is on a straight line. Okay, so I can do the distance formula, but I can also count just the boxes. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 units. So QR is 7. We found one side, so that's 7. And we still need to find this side and this side. But you can't count boxes here, nor can you count the boxes here. So that's where we're going to use the distance formula. Okay, so PQ, we're going to use these 2 points and find the distance formula. And here's your distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus difference of y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, so here's x1, y1. And here's x2, y2. Okay, so x2, actually did the other way around. This is x2 and this is x1. Okay, so in the textbook they flipped it. That's okay. And it doesn't matter which one is which. You could have done the other way too. So they use this as x2, y2, x1, y1. So x2 is -1 minus x1 is -3 plus the y2 is 3 minus y1 is -1. Okay, and you can put all this in the calculator if you put it in properly. Okay, you gotta put a lot of parentheses, but you can do this in the calculator. All right, so when you punch that in the calculator, you have square root of 20 or about 4.5. Okay, so we have here 4.5. Okay, here we counted all this and we had 7. Now we need to find the length of PR. All right, so here we go again. All right, so here we have x2 as here. Okay, so this is x2, y2, x1, y1. So x2 minus x1, -1 minus 4 squared, plus 3 minus -1 squared. And you get square root of 41 or about 6.4. So here you have now 6.4. So the perimeter of triangle PQR is 7 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 41, and you get about 17.9 units. Okay, so that was the hard part. We found each side of the triangle, we added it up to find the perimeter. They still want you to find the area. Okay, so area, remind you, is 1/2 base times height. So we already know here base is 7. Okay, so 1/2 times 7. Now, where did you find the 4? Okay, so from here, from this point to that point, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. So 1/2 times 7 times 4, and you get 14. So the area is 14. All right, so here is your turn. So that you only have one homework for tonight. Your turn number 4. Find the perimeter and area of ABC when you have these 3 points. Okay. And you'll need a graph paper just like we did for the example problem. You can print the graph paper from Edmodo Library. It's already on Edmodo uploaded for you. Click on the library part and there are 2 different graphs there, whichever preference you would like, the size. So go ahead and print those graph papers and use that to do number 4. So you have only one problem today, do perimeter and area for these points. And when you're done with the homework. Thanks for watching.